Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the School Mitra app. First, download the app from your device's App Store, available on both iOS and Android platforms. Once installed, register using the credentials provided by your school or create a new account if you're a first-time user. After logging in, you'll land on the intuitive dashboard. This central hub provides quick access to all essential features, allowing you to navigate effortlessly through attendance, homework, and important announcements. It's designed for ease of use, ensuring you get started smoothly. The School Mitra app is a powerful tool for managing your academic journey. You can easily view your daily attendance records, helping you stay informed about your presence in class. Access all your homework assignments, complete with submission deadlines and any attached study materials, ensuring you never miss a task. Furthermore, the app allows you to check your examination schedule well in advance and review your past results, providing a comprehensive overview of your academic performance. It's designed to keep you organized and on track. Effective communication is key, and School Mitra makes it simple. You'll receive important announcements and real-time notifications directly from the school, keeping you updated on all vital information. The integrated messaging feature allows you to communicate directly and securely with your teachers and school administration, fostering a collaborative environment. Should you encounter any issues or have questions, a dedicated support section is readily available, offering frequently asked questions and technical assistance to ensure a smooth user experience. Stay connected and informed effortlessly. Beyond the core functionalities, School Mitra offers several advanced features to enhance your experience. You can customize your notification preferences, tailoring alerts to your specific needs and ensuring you only receive the information most relevant to you. The integrated calendar feature helps you keep track of all school events, holidays, and important deadlines, ensuring you're always prepared. Additionally, explore extra resources like digital libraries or educational links provided by your school, expanding your learning opportunities. Make the most of every feature for a truly personalized and efficient school experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.